It has been while we have not done video on best Android TV apps. So today I have come up with 5 best Android TV apps which you should have in your Android TV. And if you missed to watch my previous videos on best Android TV apps, you can click over here, this is small bubble, to access those videos. But after watching this video. So before we start our series, let's have a quick fact check. Do you know, as per the latest Play Store update, now you can install an app in your TV from your Android phone. You just have to go to the Play Store, search for an app, like here I am searching for Disney Plus. Now you will find a drop down option in the Install tab. Click on the arrow, you will find the details of all the devices where it is installed and also where you can install it. Now you just need to select your TV name and install. That's all. It will get installed in your TV. A useful option if you want to avoid too much of typing in your TV. Now let's start the video with our first app. So whenever our TV is in standby mode, I mean to say we are not watching anything, these are the standard screensaver which you can find in any Android TV. Now if you want to customize the screensaver of your Android TV which looks similar to Apple TV screensaver, then Aerial Dream is the app for you. Once you install the app, you will get these 4 options of Apple TV. Select any of them and set the resolution according to your preferences. My TV supports 4K resolution and I also have high-speed internet. So I will go with 4K resolution. Under setting you can select whether you want to see the clock and the location of the particular screensaver. You can do that. Now under action, go to open system screensaver option. Select Aerial Dream from the options. The default time of screensaver is set as 5 minutes of inactivity. But you can also choose other options as well, like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours. From this selection, and screensaver will start at the same time. Now all settings are done. Just wait for the set time. Now your TV will show you all amazing videos as screensaver which was only available in the Apple TV. So in this pandemic situation, are you missing all the fun of watching movie and TV series with your friends and family? What if you get to watch a video on our individual screen but at completely remote locations? And if you are looking for such application, then Reva will help you to share and enjoy such moments. Rev application supports videos from YouTube, Netflix, Reddit, Google Drive and also random videos across the web. As you log in into the application, you can find a few public channels that you can join and enjoy watching with the random peoples. You can start chatting with them, share photos or also add your friends to watch together. You also have option to create your own rave from here by selecting a platform like Netflix, Prime or your Google Drive. Select the platform and the content which you want to watch. Now you have the option whether you want to go public or you only want to invite your friends to watch together. And now you can start watching your favorite movie or web series together and share your favorite moment together. This is the best app if you want to maintain social distancing and watch something together. We all have Chromecast in our Android TV, but it has its own limitation. If you want to cast something from your laptop or your iPhone to your Android TV, you need to look into different options, and AirScreen will help you in these situations. From the help, select the type of device you want to cast. Like here I want to cast my laptop, so I will choose personal computer, then Windows 10 and then what exactly I want to cast. So here I will select the option entire screen. Now follow these steps in your laptop and here you go. Now you can watch any video from your laptop directly to your TV. Follow the same steps if you want to connect your Android devices for other than Google services or your iPhone. Most of the time, the apps which are not available on the Play Store, we sideload those apps in our Android TV. But we cannot find those apps in our app list. We always have to go to setting, and from the installed app, we can open those apps. But if you want to reflect those apps in your app drawer, you can use Nebula Manager. As you can see here, I have sideloaded the Set Orientation app, but it is not reflecting in my app list. Now I will go to Nebula Manager, and under Channel I can see the first option as Set Orientation. Select this app and go back to the home screen. Now I can find the app on the screen under the Nebula channel. A small app but very useful if you have lots of side-loaded apps. Bluetooth in our Android TV is always in discovery mode. So anyone in the range can send the request to connect with our TV. And sometimes we have also approved such requests as well. Now if you want to avoid such situations and keep the Bluetooth discovery mode as off, then you can use Bluetooth discovery disabler. As you open the app, you will find a discoverable option. Now when you click on this, it will disable the discovery of your Bluetooth. As you can see here, the device is discoverable is updated as no, but your Bluetooth is still enabled, meaning you can use all your paired devices without any issue. Now if you want to pair a new device again, click on discoverable and the status will change to yes. Now go to the setting and you will be able to pair a new device. So that was the list of best Android TV apps which you should have in your TV. If you think there is any other apps would make up this list, make sure to comment down below so that everyone is aware. Give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching.